USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Swiss franc. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. The first link says swing trading on automation. So click on the first link, come to this page here. And this is something very serious if you are really serious about trading, okay? You might be trading 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, I don't know. But if you really want to automate swing trading, then check out the first link below, come to this page. And then that's how you can go and check out everything, okay? So yes, I have automated the swing trading. I'm the first person on the planet to do this. Nobody has automated swing trading until me, okay? So go and check out everything, join Telegram, subscribe, like, coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are what, down, I guess. Yep, we have the hammer in weekly, so that's your clear indication we're gonna go up from next week. If this candle by Friday, today is Thursday, okay, by tomorrow, when the market closes tomorrow, if this candle remains as a hammer in weekly, that means from next week we will go up. So get ready to take buys in USDCHF from Monday, okay, not today, not tomorrow, from Monday, if this candle remains as a hammer. Coming back to daily chart, in daily, I think we might be taking a pullback. So new low is created, okay. Right, so this is your new low pullback. We might go down. 4 hour will tell us what's going to happen here. Yeah, that's right. I think exhausted, okay. So price is exhausted in this 4 hour. We have to wait for engulfing red candle, okay. So right, this is clear actually. So this is your downtrend pullback has happened until 50% rejection is coming. So we're going to go down, I think so, okay. So you see here the price is trying to reject the EMA now. This blue candle will has touched the EMA and it's rejecting it. So next candle has to be has to be red candle, and that red candle has to break this low, okay. So coming 4 hour red candles has to break this previous red candle or break this previous low, and then we will continue going short, okay. But if the candle closes above the EMA, the blue candle, that means it will be the uptrend, but we will not enter long until the pullback, okay. But more likely I think we will go short, okay. Rejection is coming, you have to wait for the engulfing red candle, and then we will go short, okay. Otherwise, if it closes above, then wait for the pullback, then you go up. So keep an eye on the red candle, more likely it will be a short, and it's a free trade. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. And if you want to do swing trading and automation, whether you are newbie, expert, doesn't matter, it's for everybody because it works on automation. Just go and check out this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.